and welcome to all my friends. I am Gaurav Rastogi with the chapter 3 of class 10th ICSE, which is shares and dividends. Please go through this notice. So let us start with the chapter. First of all, we will go through the company's view. Okay, this chapter is easy for all those students who are commercial applications or having commercial studies as a subject, but it's okay. Suppose this is a man who is a company holder and opens a company for paying 10 lakh rupees, and he bought 1 lakh shares. He sold 40,000 shares at 100 rupees per share. How much he will earn? 40,000 into 100, he earns 40 lakh rupees. Okay, and then he further invests those 40 lakh rupees in his company again, and this is called sale proceed. I hope you have understood this. Now we will see the trader's view or the shareholder's view, who buys the share from the company. Suppose on the day 1, a man buys the share from the company of 900 rupees, and then on day 14, after 2 weeks, he sold it at 1000 rupees and earns a profit of 100 rupees. So here 900 rupees from which he bought the share is the face value or the nominal value. 1000 rupees is the market value, which keeps on changing from time to time. Let's see some terms related to shares and dividends. Dividend is the amount given by the company to the shareholder who buys the company share and keeps it for a good amount of time. Okay, means dividend is the profit which the shareholder gets from the company. Nominal value, as I told you, the original value of the share. Market value is the price of the share any time, and when market value is greater than the face value or the nominal value, the share is at premium or above par. If the face value is greater than the market value, the share is at discount or below par. In the first situation, when the market value is greater, the company gets a profit, and in the second situation, when the face value is greater, the company gets a loss. Seeing the quotations, you will find many quotations in this chapter. So first one says 10% 150 shares at rupees 200. 10% rupees 150 shares at rupees 200. Now here only percentage you can see is 10%, and the dividend is calculated in percentages. So dividend is equals to 10%. Face value is 150, which is written in the expression without at, and market value is 200, which is written with at. It can also be written as 10% rupees 150 shares at par 50. Means what you will do, you will add 50 in that, because it is the profit which the kind of company gets. Okay, so it is the increase in the value of the face value. Fine, so 150 plus 50 gives you 200. This is how we are going to calculate, and if it is given below par, then you will subtract that 50 rupees from 150 or the face value you have. Now moving further, dividend percentage you have. Now dividend of one share is calculated with the face value. Okay, so 10% of 150 gives you 15 rupees. The income which he got in 200 rupees is 15 rupees. So what is the rate of return? Which it will be 15 by 200 into 100. 15 by 200 into 100, it is kind of profit percentage. Okay, which will give you 7.5%. Rate of return is profit percentage or yield percentage. Moving further, the formulas which are generally used in this chapter, and they are kind of very easy. Just 3 formulas are there, and you need to know these 3 formula. The whole chapter is in your hand. Money invested is equal to number of share into market value. Okay, annual income is equal to number of shares into dividend into face value. Rate of return is equal to annual income upon money invested into 100. Okay, in the previous quotation we are talking about only one share, so we did dividend upon the market value into 100. Okay, so these are the three formulas which you need to learn and go through them. So that's the end of the chapter. Thank you so much. Please go through this notice.